Uh, Let me talk about the heteronym. We learn in English when one word has two meanings and two different pronunciation sessions, it's called heteronym. You know heteronym. Say for example, one word having same spelling but having different sounds or pronunciations. For example, resume. Once again, let me say resume. 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 We pronounce resume. And another sound is resume. Same spelling but two meanings, two sounds. One is resume, job application document. Another is resume, to continue, a pause or stopping. For example, I send my resume to the company, or I update my resume before applying